In an era defined by rapid scientific advancements and globalization, it is increasingly crucial to re-examine the foundations of our ethical values. While traditional religions have long served as sources of moral guidance, the challenges of the 21st century necessitate a more inclusive and universal approach to ethics, one that transcends religious boundaries and resonates with people of all faiths and none. This essay explores the concept of secular ethics, emphasizing the importance of inner values in a scientific age. Secular ethics, as envisioned here, is not antithetical to religion but rather seeks to complement and enhance it. It acknowledges the contributions of religious traditions to ethical thought while emphasizing the universality of human experience and the power of reason in shaping our values. In a world marked by religious diversity and increasing secularization, a shared ethical framework based on our common humanity is essential for fostering understanding, cooperation, and peaceful coexistence. This essay argues that secular ethics, grounded in principles of shared humanity, interdependence, and compassion, can provide a robust foundation for navigating the complexities of the modern world. By drawing on both scientific understanding and ancient wisdom traditions, we can cultivate a more ethical and compassionate society for all. Religion has undoubtedly played a pivotal role in shaping human civilization, providing moral guidance, solace, and a sense of community for millennia. However, in an age characterized by scientific inquiry and technological progress, relying solely on religious doctrine to address contemporary challenges proves insufficient. The scientific method, with its emphasis on empirical evidence and critical thinking, has revolutionized our understanding of the world, often challenging long-held religious beliefs. While faith and prayer can offer comfort and hope, they do not always translate into tangible solutions for concrete problems. Addressing issues such as climate change, poverty, and global conflict demands practical action informed by scientific understanding. Furthermore, the diversity of religious beliefs and interpretations can lead to disagreements and even conflicts, highlighting the limitations of relying solely on religion as a basis for universal ethics. Secular ethics recognizes the importance of both faith and reason in human life, while acknowledging the limitations of each. It seeks to bridge the divide between the spiritual and the secular, promoting dialogue and understanding between different perspectives. By embracing a more inclusive and nuanced approach to ethics, we can harness the strengths of both religion and science to create a more just and compassionate world. Paradoxically, while scientific advancements have the potential to undermine faith in traditional religious dogmas, they also underscore the importance of inner values. As we delve deeper into the complexities of the cosmos and the human brain, we are confronted with profound questions about the nature of consciousness, the meaning of life, and the foundations of morality. These questions, traditionally within the purview of religion, are now being explored by scientists and philosophers alike. Furthermore, the rapid pace of technological change, driven by scientific discoveries, has brought about new ethical dilemmas. Issues such as artificial intelligence, genetic engineering, and data privacy demand careful consideration and ethical reflection. In this context, inner values such as compassion, empathy, and a sense of responsibility become even more critical in guiding our actions and shaping our future. The scientific age, far from negating the importance of inner values, actually amplifies it. As we gain greater understanding of ourselves and the universe, we are called upon to cultivate a deeper sense of ethical awareness and responsibility to ensure that our technological advancements serve the betterment of humanity and the planet. In recent decades, there has been growing scientific interest in the biological and neurological underpinnings of ethical behavior. Fields such as neuroscience, evolutionary biology, and psychology are shedding light on the human capacity for empathy, altruism, and cooperation. Studies have shown that acts of kindness and compassion activate reward centers in the brain, suggesting that ethical behavior is not merely a social construct, but also rooted in our biology. Moreover, research on contemplative practices such as meditation and mindfulness has demonstrated their positive impact on mental and emotional well-being. These practices, often associated with religious traditions, have been shown to reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance compassion. The growing body of scientific evidence supporting the benefits of ethical behavior and contemplative practices provides a secular foundation for promoting inner values. This convergence of science and spirituality points towards a more holistic understanding of human nature, one that recognizes the interconnectedness of our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. By integrating ancient wisdom traditions with modern scientific insights, we can develop more effective methods for cultivating ethical values and promoting individual and societal flourishing. Section 5. Rethinking Secularism: Indian and Western Perspectives. Secularism, often touted as a cornerstone of modern democratic societies, has taken on different meanings and connotations across cultures. In the Western context, secularism has historically been associated with the separation of church and state, often accompanied by a decline in religious belief and practice. This separation arose from centuries of conflict between religious institutions and secular authorities, leading to a view of secularism as inherently opposed to religion. In contrast, the Indian conception of secularism, rooted in its ancient philosophical traditions, emphasizes respect and tolerance for all faiths and none. This inclusive approach, known as Dharma Nirpeksha in Sanskrit, recognizes the inherent right of individuals to choose their own beliefs and practices without coercion or discrimination. Indian secularism seeks to foster harmony and coexistence between different religious communities, promoting dialogue and understanding rather than separation or antagonism. Understanding these diverse perspectives on secularism is crucial for fostering intercultural dialogue and cooperation. By embracing a more nuanced and inclusive understanding of secularism, one that respects both religious freedom and the importance of ethical values shared by all, we can create a more just and harmonious world. Section 6. India, a beacon of religious tolerance. India, with its long and rich history of religious diversity, offers a compelling example of peaceful coexistence and mutual respect between different faiths. For centuries, India has been a melting pot of religions, languages, and cultures, each contributing to the vibrant tapestry of Indian society. From the ancient Vedic traditions to the arrival of Buddhism, Jainism, Islam, Christianity, and Sikhism, India has demonstrated a remarkable ability to accommodate and integrate diverse belief systems. This tradition of religious tolerance is deeply embedded in Indian philosophy and ethos. The concept of Sarva Dharma Sambhava, meaning equal respect for all religions, is a cornerstone of Indian secularism. Leaders like Emperor Ashoka, who renounced violence and embraced Buddhism, and Mahatma Gandhi, who championed non-violence and interfaith harmony, exemplify this enduring legacy. India's experience demonstrates that religious diversity, far from being a source of division, can enrich and strengthen a society. By fostering a spirit of mutual respect, understanding, and dialogue, we can create a world where people of all faiths and none can live together in peace and harmony. Section 7. The urgency of universal secular ethics. In an increasingly interconnected and interdependent world, the need for a shared ethical framework has never been more critical. Globalization has brought people from diverse cultures and backgrounds closer than ever before, creating new opportunities for collaboration and progress. However, it has also exacerbated existing inequalities and fueled tensions arising from differences in values, beliefs, and aspirations. Climate change, global pandemics, economic crises, and political instability pose existential threats that transcend national borders and require collective action. Addressing these challenges effectively demands a shared sense of responsibility, cooperation, and a commitment to the common good. This is where universal secular ethics, grounded in our shared humanity and interdependence, plays a vital role. By recognizing our common humanity and the interconnectedness of all life, we can cultivate empathy, compassion, and a sense of global citizenship. Universal secular ethics provides a framework for navigating the complexities of the 21st century, fostering dialogue, understanding, and cooperation across cultural and religious divides. Section 8. Ethics beyond religion, shared humanity, and reason. While religion has historically played a significant role in shaping ethical values, it is essential to recognize that ethics can arise from shared human experience and reason, independent of religious belief. All human beings, regardless of their faith or lack thereof, share a common desire for happiness, well-being, and the avoidance of suffering. This shared experience forms the foundation for a universal ethics based on empathy, compassion, and the recognition of our interconnectedness. Moreover, Human beings possess the capacity for reason and critical thinking, enabling us to reflect on our actions, consider the consequences of our choices, and develop ethical principles that promote individual and collective well-being. Reason allows us to engage in dialogue, understand different perspectives, and resolve conflicts peacefully. By grounding ethics in shared humanity and reason, we can create a more inclusive and accessible ethical framework that transcends religious and cultural boundaries. This approach recognizes the inherent dignity and worth of every human being, fostering respect, understanding, and compassion for all. Section 9. Conclusion: a vision for a more ethical world. In conclusion, the challenges of the 21st century demand a renewed commitment to ethics and a recognition of our shared humanity. While religion can continue to provide spiritual guidance and solace for many, a more inclusive and universal approach to ethics, grounded in secular principles of reason, compassion, and interdependence, is essential for navigating the complexities of our interconnected world. By embracing secular ethics, we can bridge divides, foster understanding, and work together to create a more just, compassionate, and sustainable future for all. This vision of a more ethical world requires a collective effort from individuals, communities, and nations to prioritize ethical values in all aspects of life. Through education, dialogue, and a commitment to living in accordance with our shared values, we can create a brighter future for generations to come. Let us strive to build a world where peace, justice, and compassion prevail, guided by the principles of secular ethics and a shared commitment to the well-being of all.